Also, if you want to pursue speaking in public yourself, be sure to download your Facebook, the complete guide to make great presentation. It will help you master the complete presentation process. A public speaking, some definition are given. After definition, you discuss about the benefit of public speaking. What is the public speaking? Basically, it is a presentation that gives live before an audience. Public speeches can cover wide varieties of different topic. The goal of a speech may be to educate and entertain or influence the listeners, often visual aid in the form of electronic slideshow or used to supplement to speech. This make to improve interesting to the listeners. A public speaking present different from the online presentation. The online presentation is available anytime. A speech is typical to limited to specific time or place. Only presentation often use slideshow or they use pre-recorded video of a speaker. This include recording of live public speaking presentation. Because public is done before leaving audience, you need to consider some special factor. Will have touch on those shortly. Now you have got an understanding of the meaning of public speaking. So let's take quick look at the history of public speaking. The benefit of public speaking help you build your career or business than effective public speaking. Public speaking is also an exceptional and cost effective. Improve confidence, better research skill, stronger detective skill, ability to advocate for causes and more. These are the benefits of the public speaking. How to become better at public speaking? Okay, so now you understand the benefit of public speaking. You might be a little more interesting in the topic. Still, you might think it's not for you. Maybe you have a speech once and it did not go well. Maybe you are afraid of speaking in public, or maybe you think you do not have a natural ability for giving speeches. The truth is that speaking in public is a skill and you can learn any skill. While some people may have more natural speaking ability than other, anyone can learn to be a better public speaker. It just takes some know how and some efforts. To help you become a better at giving public speeches, we will take look at the 5 areas. Writing the speech. The first thing you will want to do is the work on writing well organized, engaging speech, because even a great speaking voice or great deal of crisp, charisma, charisma is not enough if your material is not any good. The following good. The following tutorial can help you better learn write better speech. You go to tutorials better to speech. Overcome the fear of speaking. Fear of public speaking is very real and can hold you back if you let it. If you do not feel confident when giving your speech, your listeners may pick up on that. This can make your presentation less effectively. Fortunately, there are some techniques to help manage the fear of speaking in public. They also help you become more confident. First, let's tackle fear of public speaking. You can join some tutorials is better to way. Practice the speech. Practicing or practice your speech. Even if you are not afraid of speaking in public, practice help you give a more effective speech. If you are in a rush, you may be tempted to skip practicing your speech to save time. While skipping practice may seem like a good idea, it's a really not. Practicing your speech improve your public presentation skill. It also increases your familiarity when the presentation. As a result, your speech will go smoothly. This tutorial include handy quiz list to help you practice your speech. The tutorial I will just give the name of tutorials. That's prepare or preparing your presentation slide design. Your slide design needs to be an point. You will want to make sure it look professional and is easy to read. Luckily, you can find plenty of modern and professional presentation templates on Innovote Elements and Graphic River. You will also want to download the complete guide to make great presentation ebook. No, download it for free with a subscription to the Trust Plus Business newsletter. Learn how to your idea formulated into a powerful presentation that will move your audience. Do not forget to make a good use of tools like PowerPoint, Google Slides or Keynote. The right template for your slides deck can make a huge difference in your presentation. Here are some of the best presentation template available. You can see next. Giving or give the speech. You have written a good speech. You feel more confident about giving a speech in public and you have practiced. You are ready to actually give the speech. There are some tips and tricks you can use on the day of your speech to make it go more smoothly. Thought. Remember, you are giving a presentation before a live audience at a specific place and time. So you have got some concern about the speaking venue that those who give online presentation do not have to worry about. Some common concern for public speaker including: will the audience be able to hear me? Does the venue have the equipment I need? Are there enough seats for all my listeners? These are the public common concern about the publics about in public speaking. Okay, the best for simple PowerPoint template. Public speaking examples are great for learning or improving the new skills that apply to speaking in a public as well. If you get the chance to listen to some top rate public speakers, you should do it. You can observe how other speakers go about giving the speech. In the process, you will improve your own speaking skill. One great source of record public speeches is TED Talks, which is a series of short presentation on a wide varieties of topics. TED Talks are known for attracting world-class and celebrate speakers. You can find my favorite TED Talk this in these articles or the internet. The best source for simple PowerPoint templates, some discussed in this session. Envote Envote Elements is the perfect place to find modern PowerPoint presentation. For a single monthly phase, access unlimited downloads of PowerPoint's theme, photos, fonts, and other resources to use in your next presentation. Elements give you the best bang for your buck and thanks to unlimited downloads. You can try out a variety of slides designs as you build out your public speaking PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint template on Envote Elements. PowerPoint templates from Envote Elements have plenty of features to help you create stunning presentation such as bold text and title slides to capture audience attention. Rich image placeholders to show off photos and videos. Many infographic elements and chart to visual data. Plenty of customization option to make the template your own. These are the another one is modern PowerPoint templates from Element for 2021 is best features of for PowerPoint presentation. Why is public speaking important? The definition of public speaking is an oral presentation in which the orator delivery as a disclosure to an audience in the context of business communication. Public speaking may have several applications. Public speaking is an important in the business communication since it can be used for delivering motivational speech, professional presentation, and even training exercises. Because of breadth of application, companies view public speaking skill as necessary for business communication. Developing public speaking skill enable a business professional to deliver information that make the listener eager to hear more. Similar to marketing, public speaking should appeal to a particular audience and get its message across succinctly. A public speaker representing a business must be able to pursue listeners, whether it's to buy product or service or for another purpose. Many professionals can be public speakers, and the one who do this effectively are best remembered for getting their message across the engagingly. Becoming an effective public speaker. Not everyone has to innate ability to speak publicly. Becoming an effective public speaker requires practice and ability to learn from one's mistakes. As with any skill, the more work one puts in, the better the delivery and eloquence. The fear that new public speakers feel disappoints with each appearance before the audience. For public speakers who want to be more impactful, the following tips can be help to sway audience to their point of view. First, can discuss about see things from a audience perspective. The simple tips keep audience member engaged by relating the topic to their own lives. People are typically concerned with how something affects them, and by making it personal, the public speaker draws the audience into discussion. Delivery worthwhile content. If speaker is delivering good content, then not much is required to make a memorial speech. However, if the content is not relatable to audience, then it does not matter how well prepared the speaker is. A good speech will valuable content also inspire the confidence in the presenter. Ask for feedback and learn from it. No public speaker is perfect, and each speech should be chance to reflect on one's delivery and how engaging the topic and presentation was. Asking the audience for feedback help to develop better presentation techniques for the future. Face one's fears. There are simple way to overcome most fear, but coming to term with that feeling dread is the first step. A public speaker should consider what scares them and practice way to overcome these fears. Do not depend on the notes. At the beginning of one's public speaker career, using notes can be essential part of presentation. However, being able to deliver without a written cue show an intimate knowledge of the topic that inspire confidence from the audience. Career option for the public speaker. Organization need individual who can create a rapport with an audience to meet the goals of the business. Two of the most common roles for the trained public speakers in organization are public relations specialists and public relations managers. First one, public relations specialists. A public relations specialists are tasked with creating and maintaining an organizational public image. They are skilled in crafting media and press releases that help to develop the organization's brand and increase the public awareness of their goal. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) state that media annually pay for public relations specialist was $60,000 in the year 2018, and that the fixed is expectation to see growth of 6% between 2018 to 2028. It will be 6% rises for public relation. Public relations manager. While the public relation manager role is similar to that of public relations specialists. The goal are different. Public relations manager are responsible for the creation of material to enhance the public perception of the organization. The BLS, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, note that the media annually salary for the public relation manager was $1,14,800 in 2018 with an expected growth of 8% in 2018 to 2028. Qualification that matter. For the business professionals who see the public speaking as a critical element in their careers, Rider University Online Master of Arts in Business Communication offers training and coursework to help hone their skill. By leveraging course is verbal, written and visual communication. Students will gain competency in delivering idea across the wide range of media. This degree offers the following relevant course. What are the qualification course? Corporate and persuasive discover discourse. Corporate and persuasive discourse. The ability to persuasive is essential for business professional. This course teaches how to present point persuasively in corporate environments. Business presentation strategies. Delivering meaningful and effectively presentation to any audience, whether business executives or the public. Many require understanding different presentation strategies. This course cover areas such as visual presentation tools, social media channel and more. Communication in global market. This course gives students a deep understanding of how to communicate across national and language barriers for more efficient business communication. Effective group communication. This course delves into communication methodology that are best used with groups and the techniques that are more effective with a specific group compositions. Public speaking as an art. Effective communication can help business get their message across depending on what audience that message center on. The methodology of the delivery will differ. For a business professional, practicing the art of public speaking help to make for more effective transmission of ideas to the target demographic. Rider University Online Master of Arts in the Business Communication provide students with all the tools needed to take public speaking in the business communication the next level. The public speaking is defined the process communication with large group audience. Okay, we are discussed. Role of communication effective in public speaking. A communication play an essential role in public speaking. There is a difference between speaking to someone in private and connecting to large audience. Believe me, you fail as a speaker even if one audience in the audience goes back with a slight doubt in his her mind. Your job as speaker is incomplete unless and until individual return with a smile on their face. Effective communication, in fact, is the backbone of public speaking. Effective communication ensures the message reaches the audience in its correct and desired form. Communication is incomplete if the recipients are not aware as to what the sender intends to speak. Speak clearly and make sure your content is relevant and make sense. You may speak in any language, but your audience needs to understand your thoughts and idea. Choose the correct words in your speech. Avoid using jargons and slogans in official communication. Speak with confidence. Your communication need motivate your audience to follow what has been discussed in the seminar or conference. Support your content with a practical example so that people can relate it with their daily lives. Two-way communication is of the utmost importance. A scenario where one only the speaker speak and other either sleep or fiddle with their cell phone is not the ideal one. People sitting in the first two row are generally attentive, but what about those who are on the last benches? Trust me, is the most of the cases they are lost somewhere else. An individual is concerned to be a good and effective speaker only when questions and queries come from even the last benches. Motivate your audience to ask questions in between. It is always better to revert later if you are not clear on something rather than lying. Style of communication also play an important role in public speaking. There are very few individuals who really bother about their pitch and tone. What is the use of an excellent presentation if it is not communicated well? Speak loudly but clearly. You do not have to shut but make sure you are audible to everyone. Check with your audience whether they can hear you clearly or not. Do not forget that you are not speaking for yourself but for everyone sitting in the room. Do not try to copy others. Inspiration is alright, but problem arises when people try to blindly follow their colleagues or bosses. Even individual has his or her own style, and it always better to stick to it. Speaking with a fake accent is a strict no in public speaking. Allow people to express their idea and opinions. Do not expect a yes in the everything you say. A session is effective only when every individual sitting in the forum agree to the terms and conditions, policies, and so on discussed in the session. Forcing your idea on your audience does not make sense in the today's business scenario. One needs to prepare well before a session, but you just cannot predict everything your audience might ask. It is practically impossible to jot down everything you intend to speak. Fluency is of utmost important, and it comes with through practice. No one is born with effective communication skill, but trust me, it comes with hard work, time, dedication, of course, practice. Use the right tense. Take extreme care of your grammar. Take care of punctuations marks. Give pauses in between. For effective communication, it is important to develop eye contact with your audience. Enrich your vocabulary. It helps in public speaking. Take care of your body language as these are the good communication skill in the public speaking. Dear student, you are involving these qualities or communication skill for in your public speaking. Okay, I hope you better understand what about public speaking or public in. So in the your college, if you are called for speaking about functions, please go the public, please go the dais and or stage to speak about freely, not fearly. You can develop in it is a age, it is a time to develop yourself in public speaking. So go to dais or stage and speak about freely and not fairly. Thank you, students.